Okay, this is an amazing example of an AIWA 950. It's a beautiful, beautiful deck. This one does have a couple of minor marks on it, but generally it is in perfect working condition. The aerials are both original and in perfect condition. So that's medium wave. Loudness works, bass, treble, balance, everything. The only thing is that knob is not original, but you really can't see it. It's got push for sleep here, and a light for the VU meters and for the tuner. So that everything works basically. Cassette deck as well. Alright, what better way to test or a 1978 boombox? It's my mixtape. That's actually a genuine mixtape I made in 1988. Now, one thing I do like about this is if you've tuned into a station, which clearly I have, and if you press the light tune, you get basically a tuning level and a battery, so that's saying the battery is fine and it says the tuning level is good. So if I tune off, you can see it's not very sensitive, but it does work. So it's saying there's no tuning, but the battery is still good. So, and of course you do get your FM stereo light, which is quite sensitive.
O Virtus Sapientiae, played by Riley Lee. No matter how many fish in the sea, it'll be so. And now the babbling brook is a solid ground.
So that's the model number there, and it's the battery door, very, very good condition.
Build a suite of supports that is right for them at that time.
94% of the state's beaches have good or very good water quality, despite last summer being the wettest in a decade.
So one thing I really like about this unit is that it's got line in on the side, which absolutely future-proofs this. And what happens is, when you plug in one of the line ins, it drops the channel out on that side, plug in the other one, drops the channel out on that side. And when I press play, I've got an MP3 stereo player. And the sound is really, really very good. So that's flat, a little bit of treble, a bit of bass, and a bit of loudness. This is a really, really nice stereo. you.